Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In a previous video, I showed you how to alphabetize your Google Sheet. But what if you have full names, first and last name in the same cell, and you want to sort by the last name? Let me show you exactly how to do that. Step 1. Insert a helper column. Let's say column A contains full names like Abby Connolly, David Smith, Maria Johnson. If we sort right now, it will sort by first name. But we want to sort by last name, so we need to extract the last name first. Insert a new column to the right of the full names. This will be our helper column. Step 2. Use the split formula. In the new column, use this formula. I'll include it in the description. Here's what it does. A2, the full name. The delimiter, a space. True, split by each occurrence. Press enter. Now you might get this error. Array result was not expanded because it would overwrite data. That's because split is trying to return two columns, first name and last name. If there's data blocking the second column, it won't expand. But we don't actually want both columns. We only want the last name. Step 3. Wrap with index to get the last name. So instead of letting split expand into two columns, we'll wrap it with index. Use this formula. I'll include this one too. Here's what that means. Split a2, true, splits the name. 1, first row. 2, second column, the last name. Press enter. Now we have just the last name. Copy this formula down the column. Step 4, sort by last name. Now select your entire data range. Go to Data, sort sheet A to Z, or sort by the column containing the last names. Now everything is alphabetized by last name, exactly what we wanted. Why this works? We extracted just the last name into its own column. Then we sorted by that column. Simple helper column, clean result. If you liked this and want to get more out of your Google Sheets, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next one.